Beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta Vijay. Today we have a very exciting video because it's all about lipsticks and lipsticks in general. So many of you tend to enjoy these videos of mine, and I gather there are loads of lipstick junkies out there. We all need to collectively get together and check into a rehab. Yep, we really need to. So today we are going to be talking about those ultimate classic favorite lipsticks of mine. I'm talking about liquid lipsticks that are very comfortable on the lips. If you are someone who is a bit afraid of venturing out and getting those liquid lipstick because you're not sure of whether it will dry your lips, these are tried and tested lipsticks because I have plenty. These are my ultimate favorites in the list. Most of them are cruelty free. Well, all of them are cruelty free excepting, well, not all, just one of them is not. You guys must have figured out which one I'm talking about already if you have known me for a while. And no matter what the brand puts out, those new lipsticks out there, or the new colors, or whatever, every month there is a new launch, a new liquid lipstick. No matter what they do, these are the lipsticks I will always reach out for. That is why it's called the classics. Classics means that no matter what comes out in the market, you will still go and buy that one particular shade or that one particular formula, and that's why I'm going to be showing you my favorite liquid lipsticks. Very comfortable, very pigmented, and I'm also going to be showing you my top suggestion, the colors. I will be writing it down here, or I'll be talking about it. So yeah, let's get this party started without wasting much time. But I would love to host you for this party and various other parties if you could just stick around forever by hitting that red button. A lot of goodwill is going to come your way, a lot of miracles too. So if you want to experience miracles in your life, just hit that red button, yeah? Let's get started. Okay guys, the first one that I'm starting off is the Stunner Lip Paints from Fenty Beauty, because we all know how amazing the makeup from Fenty Beauty is, especially their liquid lipsticks. And these liquid lipsticks are very comfortable. It takes a while to dry down. It does have a little bit of a tacky feel. It does transfer just a tiny little bit, but let me just tell you how comfortable this formula is, how very pigmented it is. Out of all the liquid lipstick colors that Fenty has come out with, I think uncensored, this red one is very beautiful, and the next one is uncuffed, which is such a beautiful, almost like warm mauvey pink color, which will suit each and every skin tone at the same time. But saying that, all of the colors that I tested out were really nice. If you like a chocolate brown called Unveil, that is also really lovely. But I do feel that uncuffed and this one, uncensored, especially uncensored, which is such a beautiful red. Just look at that, it's so rich. The next liquid lipstick is the Extreme Wear liquid lipstick from Shampoo Cosmetics. And Shampoo, according to me, in India, this is one of the best liquid lipsticks in the Indian market. Though it's not an Indian brand, but you get this in each and every nook and corner. So basically, there's just no excuse for you to miss out on such a wonderful product. Whatever color that you choose, it doesn't matter, because it comes in such variety of shades that will suit each and every skin tone. If I have to really sum it down to those top 5, this will definitely be there in the top 5, because it's very comfortable, non-sticky, dries really quickly, such beautiful colors, very comfortable on the lips, highly pigmented. And out of all the colors that I have from the Shampoo Extreme Wear, I think 483, this one in particular, is my favorite, because it's such a beautiful, warm, dusty rose color that will suit each and every skin tone. Now, what can I say about the Velveteens, the liquid lipsticks from Lime Crime? These are called Velveteens, and the name is right because it's like applying velvet on your lips, and it's a liquid lipstick. They are the original gangster when it came to liquid lipsticks. I'm talking about that very non-drying formula on the lips. Whatever and however controversial they are, it doesn't matter to me, because I have never experienced anything bad with this brand in general. I think for me, what impresses me a lot more than their super comfortable formula is the fact that the shade variety that they have, there is not a shade in the color spectrum that the founder of Lime Crime has not covered. Whatever shade that you want, you will definitely get it, and it will suit you so well. Their reds especially are the ones that you have to reach out for. The red velvet, red rose velvet, there is Salem, there is Riot, like this color, there is Cindy. Those are my favorites. If you want to see my ultimate favorites from the entire collection, I have a whole separate video, but what I'm showing you right now now is Riot, which is such a beautiful earthy, brown, pinky, terracotta. It's got a mix of everything and it is going to suit every skin tone, especially the dusky, deeper skin tone girls. This is your perfect nude. A beautiful, beautiful red brown. Now when it comes to NYX Cosmetics, their soft matte cream is not my ultimate favorite because it's really lovely to apply on the lips, but it's not really long lasting. It's comfortable for sure and you get a lot of shade variety, and the lip lingerie, I just don't like it, you guys. For me, the lip glosses that comes from NYX Cosmetics are a sure shot winner. But if you're looking out for that really good liquid lipsticks that's budget friendly, at the same time it's really got a huge shade variety, very comfortable on the lips, then you should check out the Liquid Suede. I really love the Liquid Suede collection. I think it's really comfortable on the lips, very long lasting. Like I said, extremely affordable. Though I've got a lot of favorites from the Liquid Suede collection, the two shades I always reach out for are Soft Spoken and this one called Cherry Skies, which, oh my god, every time I apply this, the amount of compliments that I get. It's that really rich oxblood kind of a lipstick that will suit every skin tone. If you're not afraid of experimenting with dark colors, then this is the ultimate color, and Soft Spoken is that wonderful brownie nude color that will suit each and every skin tone at the same time. But the formula, it's absolutely lovely. Now when I was asked to be an affiliate with Jerrod Cosmetics, I was very happy because that's a brand to reckon with. And every time I used to hear about Jerrod Cosmetics before I became an affiliate, it was always about their lipsticks. Jerrod is known for their lipsticks, especially their Hydra Mattes, which I'm just about to show you right now. They're very comfortable, you guys. They are the most comfortable lipsticks. Like I said, again, it'll be there in that top 5 for sure. The variety of colors that it comes off with, it's very light on the lips. It just, as the name goes, it's a hydrating matte, like the name suggests. Don't forget to use my discount code Shweta, that you would get 30% off, and that takes care of the shipping as well. But these Hydra Mattes, if there's one thing that you have to pick up from Jerrod, like I mentioned in the best of Jerrod Cosmetics, the Hydra Mattes it is. There's so many beautiful colors when it comes to the Hydra Mattes 1995. They've got Mudslide, but my ultimate favorite color is Sedona, which is such a warm orangey brown color, and oh my god, this looks so amazing on a dusky skin tone. Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks are, oh my lord, amazing, absolutely amazing. They had to be there in my top list because if you haven't tried out these liquid lipsticks, then I think you're just wasting your time. Just go for it. One of the most comfortable formula. It reminds me so much of the Shampoo liquid lipsticks, and they are so richly pigmented yet comfortable on the lips. It's not too moussey, it's not too, it's not too liquidy, but at the same time it sits so well. The pigmentation of this is insane. So many shade varieties to it, so many beautiful colors, but my favorite colors are Patina and Aria. Patina is a beautiful pinky nude that will suit a fair to a medium skin tone, and Aria is that beautiful, gorgeous berry color that will suit each and every skin tone. Love him or hate him, you just cannot deny that his makeup line is absolutely wonderful, especially his liquid lipsticks, and I'm talking about Jeffree Star's. Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks have to be one of the most comfortable liquid lipsticks out there, and for me, can I be honest enough to tell you that I find his liquid lipsticks more comfortable than Kat Von D. Kat Von D definitely I love, but it has a tendency of clinging onto my lips, whereas Jeffree Star's formula itself, they are absolutely wonderful. The colors, the shade variety, Red Rum, Gemini, Leo, those are my favorite shades. Androgyny, those are the shades that you have to reach out for, especially if you are my skin tone or a deeper skin tone, especially if you're an Indian girl basically. But the formula, so comfortable, so light on the lips, and this color that I'm showing you, Gemini, is my ultimate favorite terracotta, warm terracotta nude that will suit each and every skin tone, especially if you are a darker skin tone. Talking about the ultimate liquid lipsticks and not having Anastasia Beverly Hills in the list, well, that's a big no-no. And I know that the first time that they released their liquid lipsticks, it wasn't as good as the second batch of it, and I'm talking about the batch that has two of my favorite colors, and that is Ashton and the other one is Catherine, which is such a beautiful berry red color. This one, Ashton, is my ultimate nude color, you guys, because it's got that, you know, hint of a yellow undertone which really flatters us brown skin girls. And the formula in general, they're very comfortable, something that I always reach out for. It sits very lightly on the lips. The shade variety is to die for. I absolutely love it. For me, it's the ultimate favorite, and I'm so happy that they improved on their formula from the first batch, because this formula is very comfortable. Now, the queen of makeup, Hooda Beauty, and how can you not mention her liquid lipstick, because that was the stamp of approval from the entire makeup world when she introduced her liquid lipsticks, you know, into our world basically. I just absolutely love her liquid lipstick. For me, if there was that one ultimate product that you need to pick up from Hooda Beauty line, it has to be their liquid lipstick. I have spoken about it before, I'm saying it again. These are one of the best liquid lipsticks out there. I have to say that this and Sephora is almost that I have the same love and affection towards these two liquid lipsticks, and they're very comfortable. They do not dry your lips, you guys. It smells divine. The kind of shade variety that she has, you are going to get a perfect nude for your skin tone, or a perfect pink, or a perfect red. It's beautiful. I know Hooda has got a lot of beautiful shades, but my ultimate favorite recommendations are Heartbreaker, Trendsetter, Trophy Wife, Icon, and Bombshell. Out of all of these five, I think Icon is my ultimate favorite, because just look at this. How pretty is this peachy pink nude that will suit from a fair to a dusky skin tone? And Trendsetter is the ultimate nude color, you guys, that will suit each and every skin tone. Absolute perfection of a liquid lipstick. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips. Now just hear me out, okay? When it comes to lipsticks, the matte revolution is what caused such a revolution in the makeup world. It put Charlotte Tilbury right up there for that ultimate comfortable matte lipsticks, and her liquid lipsticks are actually really lovely. You might not be very fond of the formula because it has a tendency of coming out really too clumpy on the wand, and the wand in general also is not the best wand out there. But when you apply this very moussey, creamy texture on your lips, it is very comfortable, and that's what you look out for a liquid lipstick, isn't it? Now, the shade spectrum that she has in the liquid lipstick is not as much as I want it to be, but if there are two lipsticks that you need to reach out for where shades are concerned, one is Too Bad and Bad, which will suit from a fair to a medium, which is such a beautiful peachy pink, and the other one is Showgirl, which will suit each and every skin tone. That's what I'm wearing right now. It's such a beautiful mauvey, pinky brown kind of a lipstick that will be the perfect nude for a dark skin tone person. Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. Oh god, what can I say? Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks had to be in the list, you guys, because the number of colors and shades that they have, the formula in general, they're very comfortable. A little expensive, I know, but my god, the formula. It's very pigmented. It's very light on the lips. You don't feel as if you have a liquid lipstick on. Any shade that you pick up from them, I think they have around 37-38 shades if I'm not mistaken in this line, and they have such unbelievable nudes. You would get that perfect nude for your skin tone. They have those deep reds like Bouse, which is my favorite. That's a collaboration that they did with Lily Singh. Or they have Driver's Seat, and then there's this lipstick called Out Loud, which is such a beautiful orange, earthy orange color, you guys. This is not that jarring too bright orange. This is the kind of earthy pumpkin orange that will suit each and every skin tone. And the formula, I can go on and write poetries about this formula for sure, because I love these liquid lipsticks. Definitely something that you must have. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer out here. Every lipstick that I showed you right now so far were cruelty free, excepting for this one that I'm about to show you. That's not cruelty free, and that is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain. I think if you have followed me from the very beginning, you would have known that the Sephora Cream Lip Stains are my ultimate favorite lipstick. I think this would be the number one. They're very underrated, they're extremely affordable, and the formula in general are to die for. Pigmentation, the way that it sits so comfortably on the lips, and the shade variety that they have, almost around I would say more than 80 colors, and you are going to find your ultimate shade for sure. But the only downside to this is that it's not cruelty free. I have a whole separate video on my ultimate colors. There's so many from Sephora, but I have really made it easy for you to see the ultimate colors from the Sephora Cream Lip Stain collection if you are my skin tone. This one, number 84, number 01, those are my favorite colors. Like I said, 01, the liquid lipstick, is such a beautiful blue tone red. I have gone on and on about the Sephora Cream Lip Stain. This definitely, the formula beats any high-end luxury liquid lipsticks. That's why it is in the list. I hope you really enjoyed watching this, and I've made it really easy for you to go and select the best of the liquid lipsticks where formula is concerned, more than the shades, because every brand comes out with so many shades, but what is most important is how it sits on your lips. And do let me know what are your favorites. If it's not in this list of mine, I'm really sorry, but opinions differ, you know. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, and I shall see you when I see you. Bye for now.